Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can block or unblock contacts in messages on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. And in the Settings page, we scroll down and in here, tap on Messages. Next, scroll down and then tap on Block Contacts in the SMS or MMS section. Then in here, to block a contact, tap on Add New. From your contact list, select a contact that you'd like to block. And that's it. If you want to unblock a contact, you can tap on Edit and then tap on the Remove button and then tap on Unblock. You can also swipe across to unblock it as well. So here, just swipe across and then tap on Unblock. If you tap on Edit, you can go from the list here, just tap on Unblock, and that will allow you to unblock it. And that's it. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, another way to block it is via your Messages app. So open up the messaging app from the home screen. Then open up a contact that you want to block. Next, tap on the contact name at the top. Then tap on the info button. Now in here, go down and then tap on block this caller and then tap on block contact. And this will block them from calling you as well as sending you messages. I'm going to unblock this caller for now. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching.